The paper industry generates large quantities of waste, including pulp byproducts, chemicals, and paper products that are not recycled. Improper disposal of paper waste contributes to landfill overcrowding and environmental pollution.
One of the most pressing issues associated with plastic is pollution. Improper disposal of plastic waste, particularly single-use plastics like bottles, bags, and packaging, leads to littering in oceans, rivers, and landscapes. This pollution harms wildlife, ecosystems, and human health.
So, how do we solve this? Scrap paper will be gathered and recycled to create new paper with our fantastic product. This product will incorporate plastics from various ways, such as plastic bottles and containers.
So how does this product works? First, the inserted paper will be shredded into pieces and will be transferred to another compartment to soak them in water. After a few hours, the pieces of paper will be pressed into another compartment to dry it, and thus you'll have your own recycled paper.
To summarize, recycling paper and plastic is critical for environmental conservation, waste reduction, pollution avoidance, and economic growth. By embracing recycling habits, we can help to create a healthy world and a more sustainable future.